Okay, children, let's see the next exercise. Look at the picture. Look at the picture and spell the CK word. Okay, we have to look at the picture and we want to spell the CK word. You know the spelling or the word for the all picture. We haven't seen already, isn't it, children? We have seen already. Okay, just tell what is this. You are going to tell me. I am not going to tell you. Just tell me what is this. Yes, this is tick. Tick. Okay, just tell me the spelling for t. 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 E. K. K means C-K. Tick. T-I-C-K. Tick. Okay, let's move to this. Here, see the one boy is licking the ice cream, isn't it? In Corona time, you're not used to eat ice cream, isn't it? But see, this boy is eating a ice cream. Okay, just say the what is he is doing? Action, lick. Okay, lick means CK. It's end with CK. Just tell me the first two words. L. Yes, L. I. C. K. Lick. Okay, just move to the next. This one. This is, yes, this is brick. 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 B sound, isn't it? Coming B sound. B. R. I. C. K. Brick. B. R. I. C. K. Brick. Okay, let's see this picture. He is kicking the ball, isn't it? Kick. K. I. C. K. Kick. Okay, let's see the next picture. What is this? This is rock. Rock. Okay, just write the spelling for rock. R-O-C-K. Rock. Okay, just see here. What is this? This is lock. L-O-C-K. Lock. Okay, well, just tell me what is this? This is stick. Okay, yes, T-I-C-K. Stick. Okay, just tell me next. Look at the picture and tell me what is this. This is weak. Weak means the boy is weak, isn't it? He got a fever, then he got a weak. W-E-A-K. Weak. Okay, this is tick. T-I-C-K. Tick. This is lick. L-I-C-K. Lick. This is brick. B-R-I-C-K. Brick. This is kick. K-I-C-K. Kick. This is rock. R-O-C-K. Rock. This is lock. L-O-C-K. Lock. This is stick. Yes, T-I-C-K. Stick. This is weak. W-E-A-K. Weak. Okay, children, we so far seen about the word which end with CK. We haven't read the spelling for the word end with CK. Okay, tell me the pronunciation of weak. Yes, tell me the pronunciation of weak. CK. Just tell me the sound of the CK. K. Okay, but see here in weak there are not a C and K sound has been common. This is a weak. A sound coming along together. So we does not write here. Okay, so remaining things are correct. This is a wrong one. Okay, one more time I am telling children, the sound of CK is K. Okay, if CK comes together, we have to pronounce it like K. Lock, tick, brick, lock, stick, rock. Okay, children, did you understand? Let's move to the next one. Okay. Okay, children, let's do the next exercise. Before going to this exercise, you are being so lazy and your face is getting too tired, children. I know it, isn't it? Am I correct or not? Your face is becoming very tired. Okay, let's play a game and we start our activity. Okay, let's sing a song, a phonic song. Shall we sing a phonic song? Yes, not alphabet song. We are going to sing a phonic song. A for ant, A for aeroplane, A sounds a. B for ball, B for banana, ba. C for cat, and C for cat, k. D for dog, and D for dot, da. E for elephant, E for egg, e. F for fan, and F for feather, f. H for hen, and H for hammer, ha. I for ink, and I for ice cream, e. J for jug, and J for juice, j. K for kite, and K for king, k. L for lamp, and L for lemon, la. M for mango, and M for monkey, N for nest, and N for nestle, na. O for owl, and O for owl, o. P for parrot, and P for pen, pa. Q for quill, and Q for queen, quack. R for rabbit, R for rat, roo. S for swan, S for swim, sh. T for tiger, and T for tan, t. U for umbrella, and U for Indian, V for victory, and V for van, v. W for wrist, and W for watch, wa. Y for yawn, and Y for york, ya. Z for zebra, and Z for zip, z. Okay, clap your hands together. Just tap it. Okay, let's see now going to see the exercise. Now you got cheer up, children. Okay, let's see the exercise. Let's go to the exercise. Just read the heading carefully, children. Say the name of each picture loud. Say the name of each picture loud. If it ends with CK. If it ends with CK, write the word in the blank and color the picture. Okay, they said here the picture has been given. We want to look at the picture first and we want to find out the name of the picture. If the name of the picture end with CK, then we want to write the name and we want to color it. Okay, children. Okay, let's listen here. This is a tree. T-R-E-E, tree, which does not end with C-K. Okay, so we no need to write the name and we no need to color the picture. Okay, let's move to this picture. This is, what is this? Yes, this is chick. C-H-I-C-K, chick. C-H-I-C-K, chick. Your ending word is C-K. You're getting the C-K word end. So we haven't write the word. So after the word written, we have to shade it. Shade with color. Okay, I'm just shading with pencil. But you can draw the picture in the paper and you can color it with yellow color. Okay, yellow, and the beagle is in red color. And foot also, just make it with a red color. Then only it will look very nice. Okay, children, I just shaded with using my pencil, but you can draw the chick on your paper and you can just color it with yellow here, body yellow, and beagle and toe in the red color. Okay, let's move to the next picture, children. This is kite. Kite. Spelling for kite is K-I-T-E. Kite. Do you getting any CK sound? No. So we don't need to write here and color it here. Just put a cross mark like this. Okay, let's move to this one. This is lock. Lock. Just tell me the spelling for lock. L-O-C-K. Lock. L-O-C-K. Lock. Okay, so okay, you find it out the lock picture here. Okay, so you want to make a color it. I'm just shading with my pencil. You can draw the outline of the lock by using your mother help or your father help or your brother's help, and make a color and write the lock under this picture. Okay, children, now you got it. Okay, I'm just shading with my pencil. In outer line, just give the black color. If it give black means it will be look very nice. Then inner you can give it with yellow. Okay, yellow, or if you have a glittering silver color, you can give a glittering silver also. I am just coloring the outline darker shade using my pencil. If the darker shade in black color, then it will be looking good. And here, if you have a silver color or white color paint, watercolor or oil paint, you can paint it like this here, white color. Okay, children, have just colored the lock because the color having the end sound CK. Okay, children. Okay, now I am moving to the next picture. Okay, see here, this is a bottle, isn't it? It does not have a CK sound. Okay, this is a mask. A mask. Listen carefully. M-A-S-K, mask. Here SK has been covered. So we don't need to write the letter and we don't need to color the picture. Okay, children. One more time I am telling children, listen carefully. See here, this is a tree. Okay, this is a tree which does not have a CK sound, ending sound which does not have a CK sound. This is a chick, it does not have a, it's having a CK sound, ending with CK sound. So I make a color it. Okay, this is a kite which does not have a CK sound. This is a lock and having a CK sound. So I am just making a color it. Okay, and this is a mask which does not have a CK sound, so I does not write the name as well as I does not make the color. Okay, if you want to make the color, just take a white paper and write the or draw the outline of the lock or outline of the chick. You can make a color using your color pen or watercolor. Okay, let's move to the next exercise. Okay.